RV&FJ plus reviews.
Welcome to the 7th and final episode of the Boston to LA and back again trip. It's day 12, and on the way out of Arizona, I stopped at The Thing. It's a gas station, a souvenir shop, a Dairy Queen, and a walk-through exhibit. Museum? I don't know what it is. It's only $5 to get in, or $10 for a family at the time of filming. It's tough to describe. It's got aliens, dinosaurs, conspiracy theories. There's so much fun in this, especially for the price. I didn't film the whole thing, and it's filmed in a higher speed. When you go, take your time. Read all the plaques. Some are funny, some are spooky, some of them will make you scratch your head. Just enjoy. Now this thing creeped me out. Is it real? I don't know. You're gonna have to figure it out for yourself, and it took me a while to notice that there was a little baby in its arms, which really freaked me out. But this was so much fun. You gotta try it. It's so inexpensive and so much fun. Right now we're leaving Arizona. We're in New Mexico, and we're starting to head to my sister's house, then to my father's house, and then to my house. Good morning. I slept in, I'm on my way back. I slept in Pecos, Texas last night, and I was going to take a shower there, but it was so packed with truckers, you just couldn't get it done. They wanted 45 minutes to an hour before they'd have a shower ready for me because they prioritize truckers, which is understandable. I'd do the same thing myself. They're their bread and butter. I'm just passing through. One shower ain't gonna make or break them. But there's this place called the Texan. Can you see that? Just a convenience store. Nothing special. Although they have like upgraded foods and stuff and gifts. And they have this thing called a kolache, which I've heard of, but I've never had. So let's take a look at it. Just some kind of a roll filled with, oh, I can feel the sausages inside of it. It's a full sausage. Sausage and cheese. It's like a really, really thick breakfast sausage, but a little bit more savory. And some really, really weird cheese in there. I can barely taste it. It's okay. I wouldn't get it again, but it's good. And I still have, wow, 1,160 more miles to go. So, I'll see you on the road. And I got some Buc-ee stuff, but I don't have a lot of time because I want to keep going, so I didn't really look around much. Took a little bit of film, but I got the two things that they're really known for. The chopped brisket sandwich and the beaver nuggets. I hope it doesn't have any real beaver in it. Alright, let's see. It is not cheap in there. It's nice in there. You should see the bathrooms. They're immaculate, but I didn't film in there, for obvious reasons. But the beaver nuggets are $5. I guess that's kind of reasonable. And the chopped brisket sandwich at $8.50 for a, I don't know, for a homemade sandwich. I guess that's not horrible either. I don't know what I'm complaining about. I just remember when everything used to be cheap, but not anymore, I guess. I'm going to start with the brisket sandwich, and whoa, it's pretty impressive. At least looking. Let's see how it tastes. That's nice. That's really, really nice. Slightly dry. Could use a little bit more of whatever this sauce is. I'm thinking it's just a very light amount of barbecue sauce, I'm guessing. Really good. Really good. The meat is like right on the money. The beaver nuggets. I'm not gonna try these right now. But through the miracle of editing, it'll seem like it. I'm gonna save this one, and we'll cut to it, and then we'll come right back. Like I said, I got these at Buc-ee's. Beaver nuggets. We're gonna give them a try. I don't know. See what happens. Here we go. I got them.
Work hard for them.
Oh, they smell like sugar. They remind me of kettle corn.
A little bit. They're good.
They're real good.
They're addictive. Makes you want more.
But it's like caramel and sugar.
And some vanilla. With a corn flavor. Just a little.
Yeah, the corn pop.
Oh, and like caramel too.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are good. Thanks, Buc-ee's.
Yep.
Oh, Buc-ee.
Yeah, we like them. All right, back to the FJ. Well, you came back before I thought I'd be done with this. Oh well. On day 14, I didn't have a problem finding a shower. This is a trucker shower, in case you've ever wondered what one looks like. This one was kinda nice, but it did have some flaws. it wasn't as clean as they usually are. They're usually immaculate, and you can see this was kind of gross. But I was kind of grosser, so I stayed and took my shower. Blech. It was also low on some of the shampoos and soaps. Didn't like that. On my drive, I came across this poor fella. Looks like he rolled his truck. That's a shame. Looked like it was a nice truck, too. I don't know if you've ever watched the DIY network Salvage Dogs. I love this show. It was disappointing when it was canceled. Luckily it lives on in reruns. It's about Mike Whiteside and Robert Culp's business, Black Dog Salvage. They primarily buy and sell architectural salvage. Not only do they buy salvage, but along with their family and employees, will go to a building or a home that's being torn down and salvage windows, doors, moldings, fireplaces, tile, anything of value and historic importance. Some they'll turn into furniture, lamps, and art, but most they sell to the public. While I was there, Mike approached me. He loved the FJ, and I loved his salvage. We swapped some tall tales. He gave me his card and said to let him know when this channel launched and when this episode comes out. You know, I need to find his card. Yes, a vintage door can run into some serious money, but it's still far less expensive than buying or building one that fancy today. And it preserves some history. If you're ever in the Roanoke, Virginia area, you've got to stop and check out Black Dog Salvage. It's a great place to spend an hour or two, even if you don't buy anything. But like me, I'll bet you won't leave empty-handed. After Black Dog, I finally made it home. What a long drive that was. Well, we'll have a new episode coming out for you really soon. No more of this long driving for a while.